It's quite within international law to do this, isn't it?
I am not so sure you're right about that, because if you have a principle which permits an individual to be arrested and detained and then shipped offshore, there are certain fundamental rights that an individual has to fair process. And we know that Priti Patel has just lost fairly significantly the process that she was going through of seizing mobile phones of immigrants so that they couldn't access legal advice, and they were also put in a position where they where the government was attempting to find out who the people traffickers were. So she's certainly got a lot of egg on her face, and I fear that she's going to have even more egg on her face any minute now if this comes into law. For example, how on earth would an individual be able to access quality immigration lawyer advice from Rwanda? How on earth? That's just very trite.
Well, I mean, I guess, Philip, people like you, well, maybe not you yourself, but people like you will relocate to Rwanda because there'll be plenty of business on tap, and that advice will be paid for and provided by the British government, won't it?
I have absolutely no idea, because there's been no statement about what facilities will be available. What we do know, and you've highlighted it in your introduction, is that the Rwandan government haven't exactly got a shining reputation for their treatment of anybody. I mean, I don't want to run the risk of the station being sued for libel, so I won't. But you've already highlighted the very serious issues.